Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud with PK. Today we are going to discuss our another AWS interview series scenario based question. Without delay, let's jump to the question. Today's question is EC2 slow only in AWS, root cause and fix. हमारा EC2 instance AWS पे जो available है वो slow है, तो उसका root cause और fix क्या हो सकता है? This is what we are going to cover in today's scenario based interview question. Scenario क्या है? EC2 instance is running slow. Same application works fine on on-prem or local. CPU and memory are normal. Suppose our EC2 instance is running slow on AWS. Same application which is available on another on-prem, we can say like VMware, right? And on any physical server is running very fine without any impact or delay. But when we see the application status in the AWS EC2, we are able to see application is looking slow. When we check CPU, memory, all our resource utilization is normal on the EC2. So what is the reason why this is happening? What is the root cause of this? Why our EC2 instance is slow in AWS? We are going to check this thoroughly. Problem statement. Application response is delayed. API calls are slow. Application response is showing delay. API, whatever API calls are there, those are getting slow. SSH logging may also be slow when we are trying to connect the EC2 instance through the SSH. This is showing some delay. No CPU, memory bottleneck. All the resources are looking fine on the EC2. So what may be the hidden issue? This may be network, DNS or actional dependency issue. So let's see this in detail. Key possible causes क्या हो सकते हैं? Top 3 causes may be possible: internet network latency, DNS resolution delay or actional dependency delay. Network latency issue. What are the symptoms for this? High ping time when we are trying to ping the server. This is showing high ping time. Slow API response when our application server is calling for the API, that is showing a bit slow. Cross region communication when we are connecting cross region, when we are trying to connect, like suppose when we are trying to do SSH from one EC2 instance to another EC2 instance which is available in another region. So this is showing a delay when communication is there between the application server or between application or database server which are available in the different region. There is that is showing a delay to connect the server. So what is the command? We can check like ping. We can check like here is the example. We are going to ping google.com. This is the domain name, and the same format we will get the domain name for our that server as well, right? We can do the trace route. We can trace like how our flow is happening. MTR, this is combination of trace route and ping as well. This will show us the latency, packet loss, all the details thoroughly. What is the fix for this? Deploy resources in same region, like when our application is available in one region and our database server is available in another region, so both should be in the same region. For the latency optimization, if those both will be in the same region, then connectivity will be very smooth without any delay, right? There will not be any delay because both instance in the same region, right? Use placement groups. What is placement group? These are some kind of groups, instance groups, which is having some type of format, right? This is one placement group named cluster placement group, and this placement group are EC2 instance physically closed in the same rack, right? And spread placement group, in this placement group our instance are available on different hardware. And partition placement group, this is large distributed apps group. So we can keep our application or database server in placement group for the smooth response. Optimize routing. What is optimized routing, right? We have to check our routing configuration is proper, and this is in the flow as is expected for the high network connectivity. DNS resolution issue, most common. What are the symptoms? First request is slow, next is fast. Delay in curl. When we are doing NS lookup, we are doing dig or we are doing curl, this is showing a bit delay. Problem क्या हो सकती है? Slow DNS server. Our DNS server may be slow, right? Any misconfiguration is there? Resolver, right? And fix, what is the fix for this? Use AWS default DNS. AWS is having its default DNS available, which we can use for fix this kind of DNS delay issues, right? Or we can enable caching, NSCD or system resolved. These are the services available in AWS. We can enable these. External dependency delay. Example like application calling DB API S3, like application is calling for the any kind of storage, like any S3 where application need to store some files, and it's calling for the database servers, right? So that dependency is slow. So how we can check those? Curl, with the curl command or telnet we can check like whether we are able to connect the port or not properly, right? So what is the fix of this? Optimize DB queries. We can optimize our DB queries, whatever our DB queries is happening. We can add cache, right? That is we can use, which is very which can make fast connection between application or database. And what this do, when first time application head to the database server, that memory will store in cache. Again, same user will head to the application or database server. It's this will not hit the database server this time. This will take from the cache all the details which were already stored in the first attempt, right? And configure retries and timeout. We can configure, we can update the configuration, like we can update the retries and timeout values for this optimization. Troubleshooting flow क्या है? We can check the CPU, memory, all are okay. Check network latency if this is fine through the ping, MTR or traceroute command. Check DNS, NS through NS lookup or die command. Check dependencies, API dependencies there or not. Check the logs. Isolate root cause step by step. We can isolate the root cause. What is the root cause for this delay? We can follow the process step by step. A real scenario example, like suppose our EC2 instance is slow, CPU normal, root cause we find DNS delay or fixed. How we can fix this, or how we have fixed this? We switch to the AWS DNS, right? Enabling cache result like 70% improvement in response time. Obviously, we almost fixed the issue permanently. Best practice, use Amazon Route 53. This is used for DNS, right? Enable DNS caching, keep services in same region, like application and else dependency should be in the same region. Monitor continuously latency using CloudWatch a tool, right? Use CD and CloudFront for the better optimization. That's all for the today video guys. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना ना भूलें. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. टिल द टाइम कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. थैंक यू.